How do game developers define the esports competitive meta? Imagine a game where strategies change so fast that players are constantly trying to outsmart each other. That's what makes the esports scene so exciting and unpredictable. Now, have you ever wondered how developers shape the way players compete? Let's explore how game creators define what's called the competitive meta in esports. Developers see the meta as the set of the most effective strategies, character choices, and tactics players use to win. The term meta stands for most effective tactics available. It's like a snapshot of what works best at any given time in the game's competitive scene. Developers pay close attention to how players, especially top-level competitors, engage with the game. They look at which characters or weapons are used most often and which team setups lead to success. Game developers also releases updates or patches that change game mechanics, abilities, or items. These updates can shift the meta by making certain characters or strategies more or less powerful. For example, if a new patch boosts a character's abilities, players might start using that character more often. Developers monitor gameplay data to see how these changes influence the meta. They track win rates, popular team compositions, and common tactics. Balancing the game is a key part of defining the meta. Developers aim to prevent any one strategy from dominating for too long. They do this by adjusting game elements to keep the competition fair and fun. This encourages players to try new tactics and keeps the game fresh. The meta isn't just about what happens inside the game. It also includes outside factors like map choices, tournament formats, and player knowledge. Top players often study their opponents' tendencies and adapt their strategies accordingly. Developers understand this and design updates to support a dynamic environment where innovation is rewarded. In the end, game developers shape the meta through a mix of data analysis, community feedback, and balancing updates. They want to keep the game challenging and engaging for players and spectators alike. By doing so, they help sustain a lively and evolving esports scene that keeps everyone excited to watch and participate.